Hi Gimmels, it's Teacher Rachel. I have another book for you today. It's called It's Mine by Leonni. In the middle of Rainbow Pond there was a small island. Smooth pebbles lined its beaches, and it was covered with ferns and leafy weeds. On the island lived 3 quarrelsome frogs named Milton, Rupert, and Lydia. They quarreled and quibbled from dawn to dusk. What does quarreled mean? Stay out of the pond, yelled Milton. The water is mine. Get off the island, shouted Rupert. The earth is mine. The air is mine, screamed Lydia as she leaped to catch a butterfly, and so it went. One day a large toad appeared before them. I live on the other side of the island, he said, but I can hear you shouting, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, all day long. There's no peace because of your endless bickering. You can't go on like this. With that, the toad slowly turned and hopped away through the weeds. What is the toad asking them to do? No sooner had he left than Milton ran off with a large worm. The others hopped after him. Worms are for everybody, they cried. But Milton croaked defiantly, not this one, it's mine. Suddenly the sky darkened and a rumble of distant thunder circled the island. Rain filled the air and the water turned into mud. The island grew smaller and smaller and smaller, as if it was swallowed up by the rising flood. The frogs were scared. Desperately, they clung to the few slippery stones that still rose above the wild, dark water. But soon these too began to disappear. There was only one rock left, and there were frogs huddled, trembling from cold and fright. But they felt better now that they were together, sharing the same fears and hopes. Little by little, the flood subsided. The rain fell gently, and then it stopped altogether. But look! The large rock that saved them was no rock at all. You saved us, shouted the frogs when they recognized the toad. How do they feel in this picture? The next morning the water had cleared. Sun rays chased silver minnows on the sandy bottom of the pond. Joyfully the frogs jumped in, and side by side they swam all around the island. Together they leaped after the swarms of butterflies that filled the air. How are they feeling now? And later, when they rested in the weeds, they felt happy in a way they had never been before. Isn't it peaceful, said Milton. And isn't it beautiful, said Rupert. And do you know what else, said Lydia. No, what? The others asked. It's ours, she said. That was It's Mine by Leonni. I'll see you next time. Bye.